Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are unboxing the Universal Smart Infrared Remote Control for smart people like you. Are you tired of having too many remotes and you don't know which one to use, or worse, you don't know where to find it? Here is the solution to your problem. The all-in-one Smart Infrared Remote Control. It can record and transmit infrared signals to control your home appliances. Use the app on your smartphone and connect to Alexa or Google Home to voice control your infrared devices. Never be bothered by a missing remote controller and say goodbye to chaos. Let's do another magic trick. Hey Google, turn the projector on.
Sure, turning the projector on.
Turn the aircon on.
Sure, changing the air conditioner to cool.
Hey Google, turn the solar light on.
Got it, turning the solar light on.
Turn the solar light off.
Okay, turning the solar light off.
Hey Google, turn the lamp off.
Got it, turning off the lamp.
Hey Google, turn the TV box on.
Got it, turning on the TV box.
Turn the speaker on.
Sure, turning Pro Max speaker on.
Hey Google, turn off the TV box.
Okay, turning off the TV box.
Turn off the TV.
Sure, turning off the TV.
Hey Google, turn the lamp blue. Hey Google, turn the lamp to white. Hey Google, turn off the light. Hey Google, turn on the fan in an hour.
Sure, I'll turn on the electric fan at 1:47 a.m.
This is a smart choice. I'm giving this 5 stars. Here is the magic reveal. hope you learned and enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.